Hi, I'm Michael Otter Johnson. I'm the agency's Labor Relation and Recruitment Manager. And today I want to talk to you about why we hold an open house event later this year. So there's two methods that an agency, a state agency, may be able to utilize in order to do so. There's the traditional recruitment methods, such as utilizing the statewide recruitment system, like the careers.wa.gov, or taking a little more non-traditional approach, such as reaching out to employees, seeking job seekers on employment websites and networks. And at the Healthcare Authority, we're using like a hybrid model. We're using both of these. One of those methodologies include using the open house event, which has been a great opportunity for us to reach out, to be proactive, to talk to prospective candidates that may want to work for the Healthcare Authority. And unlike what you have, the limitations you have with careers.wa.gov, where you just read about a job, folks that may want to work for us come in, have an opportunity to meet our leaders, to meet the programs, learn more about the work that we do, and get questions answered, which may help them to decide if they want to work for an employer like the Healthcare Authority.
My name is Medina Cavendish. I manage the FQHC, RHC, and Premium Payment Program section within financial services. I have to say that I really enjoyed the Talent Acquisition Open House. I thought it was very well organized and well attended. My table that represented financial services, I was there with two other hiring managers from finance. Our table was very busy. I think we talked to at least 25 individuals. And I felt that those folks were prepared and they were interested in the positions within financial services. HR staff did a really good work with pre-screening those applicants and kind of directing them to our table. The event went really well for my section. I hired a full-time staff. Her name is Michaela, and she's still with my team, and she's been a great asset to the team and the agency. So it went really well for me.
Hi, I'm Michaela Snook, and I work in the Financial Services Division, and I actually was hired through the hiring fair. And I found it valuable because I got to meet managers from all different departments without the pressure of an interview. And I also got to know the culture of HCA, which kind of enticed me to want to apply for jobs. I applied for 2 jobs and got 2 interviews, and I ended up getting hired in financial services. The one thing that I really found beneficial from the hiring event was that I actually took a job in financial services even though my background is in social services, and it ended up being a really good fit, but I never would have applied for that job without meeting my hiring manager, Medina, at the event.
This is James Gayton. I'm the contracts administrator here at HCA. As far as the open houses go and what their value are, I think there are 2 primary values to the open houses. The first is for candidates. It gives them an opportunity to learn more about the agency, in particular what we're looking for in people who are applying for jobs here. They can then use that during the interview process to demonstrate an interest in the agency. Related to that is the second benefit, and that's, I think, for hiring managers to see someone walk in the door for an interview panel that you've already seen at an open house, I think shows the hiring manager that this person is, in fact, interested in the agency, interested in our mission, and is keen on helping us do what it is we need to do to serve the citizens of this state.
Hi, I'm Laura Shader, and I came to the state of Washington about 4 years ago when my husband got a job here. And I had contracting experience back in the private sector in Virginia, and I had been looking for a job here with the state. And after a few years of working in some other industries, I still wanted to work in the state, but I didn't have a lot of understanding of the culture at different agencies. So when I saw that the HCA was hosting a talent acquisition fair, I put in an application. And I was really glad I did, because I got the opportunity to see what a commitment HCA made to finding the right fit. And I saw that with all the effort that they put into hosting the event, and it was a great opportunity to meet a lot of managers and observe them interacting with other people. and I just got a really good vibe and made a point of focusing my career search with HCA after that. And now I'm a contract specialist too.
So my request to you, HCA employees, leaders, hiring managers, is to get involved and help make this event a success and make it worthwhile for prospective candidates to come in that day and help them learn more about what the Healthcare Authority does. So we plan on announcing the open house event on the careers.wa.gov website, and the event is scheduled for September 19 from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So I ask you to share this with people you know, people in your network, with folks that may be interested and qualify for employment with the Healthcare Authority. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in September.